Integration. Last class we have done integration of sin dx is equal to minus cos x. Integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x. With these two formulas we have done majority of the sums, and still we have to do like integration of sin square x dx. How to do this? See, some students they'll write this is equal to sin cube x by 3. This is wrong. See, there is a different method of doing that. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. You have two formulas. That is what? This is 2 cos square theta. This is 2 sin square theta. Do you remember this? Therefore, sin theta is equal to what? Sin square theta is equal to half 1 minus cos 2 theta. Similarly, cos square theta is equal to half 1 plus cos 2 theta. See how I remember. I can't remember everything. As I keep doing it 2-3 times, if you do it, I will remember another 1 or 2 months. That's all. So your object is you are not going to do your lifetime. This you do this 2-3 times. Another 1 week you will remember, then later forget. That's all. It is not that much. When a work is given, you have to do properly. That's only they test you. Right? You are not going to become a great scientist and something like that. Here now you are going to face the exam. You have to pass. Up to that you study. Right? That is why I said A level. This is only for those students who want to get 40 to 60%. Just go through. Right? Here, what I do is, see in sin square x, integration of cos square x. First I will do cos square x dx. How to do cos square x? Integration of cos square x, see cos square theta is equal to what? Half 1 plus cos 2 theta. That is what? Half 1 plus cos 2x dx. Can you follow how I got it here? See, cos square x is what? Cos square x is equal to half 1 plus cos 2x. Wherever theta you got x. That only I have done here. Now what you get? Half you put it. Integration of dx separately. Again integration of cos 2x dx. Now we have studied this also. What is the formula? Integration of cos ax plus b dx is equal to what? Sin ax plus b by coefficient of x is what? A. Is it not? Therefore here what I write? An integration of dx is what? X. Maybe this is the 8th class. You go through the first class. What they have done? 8th class. Integration of dx is x plus cos 2x is what? Sin 2x by 2. Off. I have finished it now. Now if they ask you to do this 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. How to do this? I am going to apply this formula. Sin square x, apply this formula. What I do is half integral of 0 to pi by 2. Sin square is what? 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now half it comes out. Integration of x dx minus integration of cos 2x dx. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. But in the integration, in the entrance exam now, you have to mentally work it out, all this. Therefore, integration of x dx is what? Half x, okay, minus cos 2x is what? Sin 2x by 2, coefficient of x is 2, 0, pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. Now you substitute half integration of pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi by 2 by 2. I am putting upper limit here minus lower limit, this one 0 minus sin 2 into 0 by 2. Therefore, half pi by 2 minus this one cancel. Sin pi by 2 minus 0 minus sin 0. Sin 0, 0, right? Therefore, sin 180. Sin 180 is what? 0. That I have given a separate table for you also. Therefore, you got pi by 4. Answer is what? Pi by 4. Now, this you can I do the see here. Therefore, integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx is equal to pi by 4. This is one answer. See, this particular sum, some student, they would have done already. By looking at some, they remember the problem. They will mark the answer. If you are not worked it out before, then you won't get it. Therefore, the entrance exam or any final exams, or they want to ensure that you have to work it once, you know or not. And there is other method. See, there is one theorem. This is another chapter. What? Definite integrals. See, 0 to a. 0 to a function of x dx. 0 to a function of x is equal to 0 to a function of wherever x replace a minus x. A minus x, wherever x replace dx. Right? Therefore, if I use this formula, this is a theorem. Proof, I will do it again later. Say example. How to start that? Let I is equal to this one, I will tell. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. This is 1. If you want the proof, I will do this proof after some time. Then I is also equal to 0 to pi by 2. Wherever x replaced by this, which is a here. A is pi by 2, is not. Function of x is sin square x. Therefore, here what I write? Sin, wherever a I replace pi by 2 minus x. Can you follow what I did it? This is on theorem. 0 to a is this 0 to a. 0 to a. 0 to a instead of x. A minus x I done. You know there is a formula. What is sin 90 minus theta? Sin t 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Is it not? This you remember? Therefore, what I write? 0 to pi by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos x whole square comes here. Dx I is equal to. This is second equation. What do you observe from these two? Right? Here you add this 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, if I add what I get? I plus I, 2I get it. Integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx plus integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now I can take integral outside as a common factor. 0 to pi by 2 I take common factor. So sin square x plus cos square x dx. Sin square x plus cos square is equal to 1. Is it not? 1. Therefore, integral of 0 to pi by 2. 1 into dx. Dx itself. Integration of dx is what? X. 0 to pi by 2. Apply the upper limit minus lower limit is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, what is got? I is equal to, that is 2i is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I is what? Pi by 4, you got it. What is I here? I is cos square. What is the answer there? Pi by 4. What is here? I is sin square. Pi by 4. Now they have asked such a question. Prove that. One theorem they have asked. Prove that and hence evaluate integration of sine square and cos square for 5 marks they have asked using different integral. Now, how to do this? This is a separate proof. I will do it whether you can understand or not. This I will repeat again when I will be repeating when some other place again. See, consider right hand side. Consider right hand side. 0 to a function of a minus x dx. What you do? Put a minus x equal to t, because most of the students they left integration. Therefore, for them it will be difficult. But now you learn now, right? Put this is equal to t. Therefore, what I write, I will put taking differential both the side. Taking differential both the side. Differential of a is what? 0 minus differential of x is called dx is equal to dt. Therefore, our dx is equal to minus dt. Now, dx is equal to minus dt I am going to put it here. A minus x is I am going to put t. Look here. Function of a minus x can be written as t. A minus x equal to t. Dx is equal to minus dt. Now, here x equal to 0 and x equal to a. Correct? Now, here what? A minus x equal to t. No. When x equal to 0, what happens? When x equal to 0, what happens? A minus 0 equal to t. Therefore, a equal to t. Therefore, t equal to a. When x equal to 0, then t is equal to a. That is t equal to a. Again what? When x equal to a. When x equal to a, what happens? When x equal to a, what happens? A minus a equal to t. That is 0 equal to t. Therefore, t is equal to 0. When x equal to a, t equal to 0. Now I bring out this negative sign. A 0 ft dt. Whenever I interchange this, what will happen? 0 to a, this become plus interchange f of t dt. Now there is one theorem. Integration of a to b function of theta d theta equal to a to b function of, in place of theta I can put x dx, or a to b f of t dt. Anything I can change, only variables changing. There only variable changing, right? Therefore, 0 to a function of, instead of t I can change the variable dx. That is equal to what? Left hand side. The left hand side equal to right hand side. What is left hand side? Therefore, 0 to a function of x dx equal to what? 0 to a function of a minus x dx. Therefore, this is they may ask you for 2 marks, 5 mark questions. Therefore, this is 3 marks they'll ask you. And we did know here, what is this? This, using the theorem, 5 marks. But anyway, this problem is sure. Therefore, this is for final exam, it is very, very important for final exam. Alright, final exam, it is very, very important. Now, sine, see, I know in integration only sine and cos. Nothing, anything, I don't know much. See, suppose sine cube x. How to do this? This is another big problem. Cos cube x. This is also the problem. For that again what? Again 0 to pi by 2. They'll ask you 0 to pi by 2. For this reason only, nobody will learn integration because it takes much of the time to do that. But one thing I'll tell you, without integration, you can't step into engineering or BSc or anything. You have to stop it only, right? Somehow you may pass, but further studies you can't do it. Therefore, those students who are preparing for medicine and all need not compete. But what I tell is, even in the medical, they will see the highest. Okay. Therefore, what I do is, this you learn. What is sine 3 theta? Sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta is equal to, you do one thing. This 3, put it here. 3 sine theta, correct? When I put this sine theta will join here. Next number, minus. Then what? 4. 3, next number is 4. You write sine. Since the gap is closed, no? The 3 want to come back. They're gone and come back. But when it gone, now the gap is closed. Therefore, it will sit on the top. Understood now? See, if you bring this, what will happen? The 3 came here, 3 sine theta. The gap is closed. Again, not 3. What is the next number? 4. Then leave it. It will come back. When it come back, it is 3. Similarly, cos 3 theta. Here all are sine. All are sine. Here all are cos. What is cos 3 theta? You write this one. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now I am going to keep these two things, these particular sums for inverse trigonometry function. This one and all inverse trigonometry function I am going to keep. These sums and the previous class and also I have done. Therefore, here continuously you have to learn. Look. Now how to do this? Cos 1 you want to sine. Suppose integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine cube x dx. Now how to do this? You know, you remember this sine 3 theta once again. I am doing it what? You bring this 3 here. 3 sine theta, that the gap is closed. 3, what is the next number? 4. Then write sine theta because the gap is closed. Right? When you release it, think that it is attached by spring 3. When you release it, will come back. No? The 3 want to come back, but it's not possible because the gap is closed. Therefore, it will sit on the top. Okay? Now, the sine cube, no? You bring this side, you send that side. Therefore, 4 sine cube theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Now what is the next step? Sine cube theta. Sine cube theta is equal to 1 by 4 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Therefore, wherever theta, you can write x, is it not? Sine cube x is equal to 1 by 4 3 sin x minus sin 3x, isn't it? If you know this, this is the first year PU. Therefore, here what you write? Therefore, I is equal to integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin cube is equal to 1 by 4. I am taking it out. 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. Now 1 by 4 3 integration of sin 3x. So, sin x is what? Minus cos x. Divided by coefficient of x is what? 1 here. Minus integration of sin 3x is what? Minus, look. Here minus. Minus cos 3x by 3. See, your accuracy here is comes, right? This minus. Most of the people, they go wrong here. Therefore, 1 by 4 is equal to minus 3 cos x minus into minus plus cos 3x by 3. Therefore 1 by 4. You can leave it as it is. Now if you want, you can do, they are asking you to 0 to pi by 2. No? See, they will have 4 choice. The 4 choice is what? Cos 3x by 3 minus 3 cos x by 1 by 4. A, B, C, D, you have to mark it up. And if they give upper and lower limit, how to do this? I will calculate that an upper and lower limit. 1 by 4 comes out. Here I am going to put 0 and pi by 2, say. Upper and lower limit I will put it. Here what? Upper limit minus 3 cos pi by 2 plus cos 3 into pi by 2 by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit minus 3 cos 0 plus cos 3 into 0 by 3. Now here what? Cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Here cos 270. Now again you have to remember this formula, entire this one in the mind. Sin 0 cos 0. Sin 90 cos 90. Sin 180 cos 180. Sin 270 cos 270. Because I don't want to take a chance. Even if I don't attempt all the questions, at least whatever the questions I am going to attempt, I want to make it sure. Therefore sin 0, 0, cos 0 is 1. You put it here, 1. Here put it 0. Here 0. Here don't put 1, this is minus 1. By minus 1. Cos 270 is 0. This cos 270, now cos 270 is what? 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. This is not 30 degree, cos 30. 3 into 0. Cos 30, no, 3 into 0 is 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. Right? You have to be careful. Therefore, the cos pi is what? Minus 1. Now see, after when you prepare this integration, this part, simultaneously prepare inverse trigonometry functions. Otherwise, it's very difficult here. See, 1 by 4 minus 3 cos 90 is 0 plus this is also 0 by 3 minus 3 into 1 minus cos 0 is 1 plus cos 0 is 1 by 3. See how carefully you have to work it out. 1 by 4, everything becomes 0 minus 3 plus 1 by 3. I also go wrong in this one. Again put that minus inside. 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 4. Take LCM 9 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 4. 8 by 3. 2 by 3. Therefore, the answer I am getting is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. If they get 4 choice, 4 choice will be there. Which one will mark? Your 4 choice will be there. A, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. B, 3 by 2. C, 1 by 2. D, just 2 by 3. Which is the correct answer? This is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. But, and do you think student will sit and work it out all that? Sine cube and all you have done already. Your subconscious mind says, yes, this is 2 by 3. And why don't you work for cos cubes? Can you do this what? Cos cube x dx. You want me to work it out? Or what? See, I will start and I will do it off. Integration of cos cube x dx. How to do this? You know this sin 3 theta. See, suddenly I can't remember cos theta. I will write again sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Because sin I will remember all are sin. Again what? Cos 3 theta. All should be cos. All are All are sine. Here all are cos. Therefore I reverse it, but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. All are cos here. All are cos. Therefore, you want cos cube theta, no? Therefore, 4 cos cube theta is equal to, send that side, cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. Therefore, cos cube theta is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. See, physics is very, very difficult because every line you have to think. Mathematics is not like this, purely mechanical. It doesn't require a lot of knowledge, technique or something like that. Right here, what? Instead of theta, you are writing x. This is what? Physics is like a boxing, but mathematics is like a running. But if you do proper running only, you will get a stamina to do physics. Therefore, when you are good in maths and physics, no, chemistry is so easy because it is a combination of mathematics and this one. It will give a lot of confidence. Once you are confident in all three subjects, biology is nothing. One is the recollection of the facts and rearranging it. Therefore, what I do is, if you are very integrating, if you are doing the integration, your mind get integrated, right? Once you are getting integrated, you can do, you study any subjects in the world. See here what? 1/3, 1/4 of integration of this one. Cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. See, I am not getting that fluency in physics. Though, what is it? I got the PhD in physics is not. But mathematics is not like that. Anybody can do it. It doesn't require that fluency required. Okay. Most difficult, not difficult subject in the sense, highly subject is physics for PU level. Different level mathematics all are equal. There is, I don't distinguish between physics, chemistry, math. The general science. That's all. Now here, 1 by 4, what do you get? Integration of cos 3x is what? Sin 3x by 3. Plus 3, this also sin x. Plus 3. Okay? Now, is it possible to do it 0 to pi by 2 cos cube x dx? How to do this? 1 by 4 sin 3x by 3 plus 3 sin x, 0 to pi by 2 I am doing it. Then again what? 1 by 4, substitute here, sin 3 pi by 2 by 3 plus 3 sin pi by 2, upper limit I am doing, then lower limit, sin 3 0 by 3 plus 3 sin 0. Now 1 by 4 sin 270. Sin 270 what? How to? Because I written somewhere these values and all that. I also can't remember. I have to write like sin 270 is how much? Minus 1. Sin 270 is what? Minus 1 by 3 plus 3 sin 90. Sin 90 is what? 1. Look, the problem with the students is what? Once by the time they come to the differentiation and application of differentiation, then when they start integration, student got saturated. They will not touch it. But they go to the vector all easy, then the linear programming and all that, and totally they will not touch the integration. Because of lack of integration, engineering all semester you will fail. Because first semester you have mathematics, second semester mathematics, final semester also. Because they start with high integration. There only you get stuck up. Better go through all this thing properly. Sin 0 is not sin 30, 0, right? 0 by 3 plus 3 sin 0, 0 only. Thus this portion becomes 0. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 plus 3. 1 by 4, what is LCM? 3 minus 1 plus 9. 1 by 4, 8 by 3, what will you get? 2, then 2 by 3. What have you observed from this? Sin cube x also 2 by 3. Here what is that? Integration of cos cube is also 2 by 3. Now this sum, it appears in the entrance exams. What you will do? Definitely you have done it. But you have learned lot of things in the middle. Techniques you learned. Some portion. These all are very, very important. All these intermediate portions are important for inverse trigonometric function and even differentiation. Right? Therefore, another sum. You see, we have learned only two sums, two formulas. Sine, integration. Only this two formula we have done so many sums in the integration. So another thing is what? Look. Sine 3x cos 2x. How to do this integration? This again is a problem. Go back to first year PO. Right? Again what? How to do this integration of sine 5x sine 7x dx. There is no u into v in integration. Therefore, remember, s plus s is 2sc. See, this is going to come for your integration. This you are done in first year trigonometry also. Therefore, remember s plus s 2sc, s minus s 2cs. Reverse it. C plus c is equal to 2cc. C minus c is equal to minus 2ss. Here, s represents sin A plus sin B is equal to, this is sum, difference. This is what? Sum or difference. You go to product. This is what? A plus B is equal to A plus B by 2. This is what? A minus B by 2. Today you may be spending 3 hours on that. Then after that it will be very fast. In 2-3 days you will learn, you will be finish it off. But you will be above than 3 or 4 lakh students of India. Again, what the 3 days effort you are going to do is this only, right? Because whatever you know, everybody also know. But these are things majority of them will not know, right? Here, what you get? SC, here SS. I'll do these two sums. Here, SC, no? SC. Can I take this? Here, how to represent this one? Sin A plus sin B is equal to what? 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. That is the meaning. Okay. Now, the question is, this is product, no? Product. From product to sum you want to do. Product to sum or difference. How to do that? Product to sum or difference. See, in emergency you won't get the pen. Suppose product. If it is P, this is Q. If you are coming from this side, P plus Q, P minus Q. Understood? Similarly, sin P, sin Q is equal to cos P plus Q, cos P minus Q. Right? Look, I'll write this here. 2 sin P cos Q. 2 sin P is what? S plus S, no? Sin plus sin. P plus Q. P plus Q and P minus Q. So example, I will do this sum. So example, this sum. S sin 3x cos 2x. What I do is, 2 is missing, is it not? Therefore, multiply numerator denominator by 2. Both get cancelled, correct? Now this is P, this is Q. 2SP, 2SC, 2SC is what? 2SC is equal to S plus S. That means here, half, what will express? S plus S, isn't it? 2SC is what? 2SC is equal to S plus S, S plus S. Here what? P and Q. Here P plus Q. Here what? P plus Q. What is P plus Q? 3x plus 2x. P minus Q. 3x minus 2x. That means half sine 5x plus sine 3x minus 2x is what? Sine x. I will take this one again. See, sine x, sine x plus sine x, SS. SS you are getting, right? Therefore, I will write it here. Sine 5x, sine 7x. I have taken these two. Sine 7x, sine 5x. Here what? SS, no? Here 2 is minus 2 is missing. If I put minus, here also I will put minus 2. Can you follow? Multiply numerator and minus 2. Minus 2SS. Minus 2SS is what? C minus C, right? C minus C. Therefore what? Here minus of C minus C. P plus Q, that is 5x plus 7x, and P minus Q, 5x minus 7x. That is equal to minus of, here what? Cos 5x plus 7x is what? 12x. Minus cos 5x minus 7x is minus 2x. Now remember, cos of minus theta is what? Plus cos theta, remember. You know this, right? But sine of minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. Tan of minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. But cos of minus theta, cos theta. Therefore, what you observe here? Minus of cos 12x, cos minus cos 2x. Now, how to do this sum? You revise once. I will do the sum here. The new page, integral of sine 3x cos 2x dx. The sum. Now what you have to do? Multiply numerator denominator by 2. Now here what is this? 2SC. 2SC is equal to S plus S. Is equal to what? S plus S. If it is P, this is Q here what? P plus Q here, P minus Q, correct? Therefore, what I write? Half, I put it here, yes, that means sine plus sine. Sine plus sine. P plus Q. P plus Q is what? 3x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x. 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x. Into dot dx. Therefore, half integral of